We are now less than a week away from the official Galaxy S26 series announcement, and the hype is absolutely real. At Guinea Rich, we have been a Samsung brand partner since 2014. Over a decade of bringing you official Samsung devices, exclusive offers, and trusted service. So, when we talk about the Galaxy S26 series, it comes from the experience, not just excitement. So, let's get into it. Talking about the display first, premium has just gotten smarter. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus continue Samsung's signature AMOLED brilliance, smooth refresh rate, vibrant colors, and improved durability. But the Galaxy S26 Ultra takes things further. It is expected to feature the new AI privacy display, designed to limit side angle visibility so people next to you can't see your screen clearly. For professionals, travelers, and privacy conscious users, this is huge. And on top of that, the Ultra gets a 10-bit HDR panel. That means richer gradients, better color depth, and a more cinematic viewing experience. Next comes the performance, the serious power across all models. Software-wise, we are getting One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. Performance is where Samsung is clearly going all in. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature Snapdragon 8 Elite across all markets. The S26 and S26 Plus will also get Snapdragon 8 Elite in most regions, while select markets may see the Exynos 2600. But talking about the big upgrade, all Galaxy S26 models now start with 12GB RAM. No more 8GB base variant. Storage begins at 256GB. The Ultra goes even further, up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. So for creators, gamers, and multitaskers, this is flagship level performance. Now comes the deal breaker, the cameras. Ultra steps ahead. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus retain similar camera hardware as last year, but the S26 Ultra introduces meaningful upgrades. The main camera now features an f1.4 aperture, allowing significantly more light intake compared to the previous generation. The zoom camera also upgrades to f2.8, which makes videos brighter and better than before. So if you shoot professionally or create social content, this will matter. Next up, let's quickly talk about the battery and charging. Battery sizes remain similar, but charging speeds have improved. In Galaxy S26 Ultra, 60 watt wired, S26 Plus is 45 watts, and S26, the base variant, is 25 watts. Wireless charging on the Ultra now reaches 25 watts, so that means less waiting and more productivity. As for the design, it is very promising as it's lighter, thinner, but still premium. All S26 models are thinner and lighter than the previous generation. The Ultra still includes S Pen while becoming slimmer. Now that's some impressive engineering. The Galaxy S26 series is not about a dramatic redesign. It's about true refinement, better AI, privacy, better low light performance, more RAM as standard, and faster charging. And when it officially launches, you can trust you are getting authentic devices, official warranty, and exclusive launch offers at Guinea Rich. Because we have been a Samsung brand partner since 2014, and that credibility matters. Let us know in the comments which model are you choosing. Are you choosing the S26 base, S26 Plus, or the SS? Or are you going S26 Ultra? Subscribe for official launch updates, in-store availability, and exclusive Guinea Rich offers. We'll see you at the launch.